Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at PayPenny. So basically with PayPenny you can transfer money internationally. It's most used in Canada, so if you want to transfer money from Canada to other countries, this app is a good one. Now I found some reviews about it, and as you can see they had a lot of problems. So as you can see, this one here said that it's been 15 days and it's not credited. So in the past, this was a good app, a good platform to use to transfer money, but lately, I don't know why, but they just messed up everything. Now, if you want an alternative for PayPenny, use Wise. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.